Welcome to ARC Specialties, a campus of over 100,000 square feet dedicated to research, design, manufacturing, assembly, and testing, all located here in Houston, Texas. Our talented team of mechanical designers draw everything in a 3D CAD environment, from the nuts and bolts all the way to the major fabrication. Our fabrication process begins at the saw, where raw materials are delivered and cut to the required dimensions. If necessary, pieces undergo plasma cutting before being transferred to fitters and welders who then weld these pieces together. All necessary components are then transferred to our machine shop for precision machining. After machining, all exterior components are then moved to our paint booth where they are painted using environmentally friendly water-based paint. After fabrication, all parts are then transferred to the shop floor, where our mechanical assemblers will begin the construction of the final system. Once assembled, our electrical technicians begin to wire the system together. Our programmers install custom software into each machine for final integration. When the project is completed, the customer is always invited to ARC Specialties for runoffs. Thank you for visiting ARC Specialties. We thrive on problems. Send us yours.